The world has witnessed countless examples of how nature can strike back when we humans have failed to take care of it. From natural disasters to pandemics, it is no secret that the planet is capable of unleashing its fury in response to the damage we have done to it. However, is it fair to say that nature is taking revenge on us? Or are we simply reaping what we have sowed? The fact that nature is taking revenge on us implies that the planet has a conscious desire to punish humans for their actions. The reality is that the damage we have inflicted on the planet through activities such as deforestation, pollution, and overconsumption has resulted in the degradation of the ecosystems and loss of biodiversity. This in turn has created the conditions for natural disasters and pandemics to occur. For example, the destruction of forests and other natural habitats has resulted into the loss of biodiversity and the displacement of wildlife. This has created opportunities for viruses to jump from animals to humans, as was the case with COVID-19 pandemic. Similarly, climate change caused by human activities has resulted in two more frequent and intense natural disasters such as floods, wildfires, and much more. Joseph, a coffee farmer on the Lake Victoria banks on Bunjako Islands, one of the islands on Lake Victoria, is among the farmers who have suffered losses as water from Lake Victoria has reclaimed a good chunk of his land, taking its position.
Neeri gye twayise mu Lukolo Nabalazi agamotoka gaahipinga omusenyu gw'amaanyi nnyo wali mu kitoogo kati amazzi geesindika eno n'agava mu Lwera ne gakola ki ne geesindika eno go ne gakola ne ganoonya we gagenda ng'ate ensulo zo zikyaleeta okuva mu ki eno waggulu ensulo zagana amazzi ziva amazzi gagaagiriyo wali Katonda ebintu ebyo birina effekti y'amaanyi.
The rising water levels on Lake Victoria is a true testimony of how the nature is revenging towards us humans for destroying and failing to care for it. Many of the swamps and other water catchment areas along Victoria have been destroyed. For example, the Rela swamp has been destroyed by mining sand and other agricultural activities like growing rice.